Kia ora te iwi ko hikaro tēnei. Tēnei rā mātou no te pūtahitanga o te waipaunanga e mihi atu nei kia koutou. We're pleased to announce that we are now calling for applications for our latest wave. Whānau Ora is about understanding ora in its widest meaning, supporting whānau to be in charge of your destiny, to lead healthier lifestyles, to create the future you want all our mokopuna to thrive in. Ora means opportunity to realise your aspirations. Nobody knows better than you the dreams and aspirations of your whānau, how to overcome the challenges that you face, and the solutions that collectively you believe will turn the tide. Use this opportunity to help create change, take on new learning, stretch far and wide to make a difference for you and your whānau. If you live within the South Island, the Chatham Islands, or Stewart Island, and have a passion to make changes for our future generations, this could be that once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Give it a go. Download a workbook from our website to find out more. Follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook to keep up to date with workshops, Facebook live streams, and other opportunities to gain support for your order application.